How could the intro get any worse? I just don't wanna have this intro. It's amazing. That's iconic intro, bro. This is the iconic intro, and this is what I picked, bro. This, like, maybe this intro sucks, man. Bro, I think this intro sucks, even though it's iconic.
I was about to shower. Huh?
Oh wait, that's red. Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Do it. Do the bubble. 44 seconds in. Please save me. Please save me. 53. Please. Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Sorry! Ah! I got 1 minute and 6 seconds. Okay, so let's see. 1 minute and 6 seconds. Oh my god.
Yo, dude.
What?
I sent the channel link in Discord.
What?
I sent the channel link in Discord.
What channel link? Alright, I'll send it. Wait guys, I have to do something. Wi-Fi Discord like this. Oh, still like this, man.
You guys go to the website,
Oh!
right?
Oh, okay, so... Oh my gosh. I've never seen something like that.
A lot of sharing away.
Alright, so what's our channel link? Our channel link? The Cubing Bros. I can access this content in my
I might
Google.
drag the white hair too.
Wait! I just posted this video 27 minutes ago. I already got 5 views. Huh? Oh yeah! Right, guys. Wait a minute. What's the channel on my channel? What? Oh yeah, right. I just have to
What's the G view? There you guess. Dub only RBI dot.
yeah. How you know? How'd you know?
Sinabi ko nang pabayaan mo kumain ng kapatid mo kayo kumain na hindi pa.
Control C. Yeah, I'm doing this going to Discord and saying it to my brother. I sent you the link to the YouTube studio.
Yeah.
Now for that, let's get back to cubing.
My brain, it's okay.
What?
Everything is so hard these days.
Of course, dude. Everything is so hard, bro.
Not you, bro.
Yeah, man.
Kaya about it. You can't ban me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna delete this comment.
Hmm? Wait, why can't I search on my own?
Okay. Eh. Whatever.
Oh.
Ugh. Now we're cubing. only did that 1 day ago. And now I was asking for it again. Ayo. Oh no, not that one. This one. Where is that? Up here. No, don't tell me. Oh no. It wasted my time. Wait, what? Oh no! Oh! Oh no!
Oh, you're getting old. Don't.
Oh
Oh,
no!
no, you hear that?
Ah!
Yo, do you hear that? It's shouting.
Yeah. Wait, Shaoling? Shaoling!
Go.
Go!
Me?
What? This why my video is not made for kids, bro. This why my video is not made for kids. I just do a random scramble, that's it. But because I don't know the scramble things, and I should learn a video how to understand them.
Wait, why are you mostly making the videos, bro? So messed up. That's so messed up. You're the making video, bro.
Ow! Attack the car daw! Attack the car! Attack the car! Okay, where's that? Ta ta ra ra ta ra ta ra ta ra ta ta ta. Oh, I got OL skip. I got OL skip. Ah, that's a 2 second penalty, isn't it?
Who knows?
Yeah, it's a 2 second penalty.
Ask GPT, bro. I don't even know.
Now I'm not asking Chat GBT. Okay, so now what's our time? 3, 7, 2, 4, 9. Wow, si Mama ay bald. Now I was going bald now. Yeah, my intro is so bad.
Silence the intro.
Just look at this.
Bro, what's an intro, bro?
Yeah, for some of you good. For some of you, my intro in this video is that, bro. It is that
Wait,
type.
do it again.
I you're going to hear this, bro.
Oh, yeah, it's so classic.
That's so classic, bro. It is so classic. That's why I'm using it for my intro. Imagine if someone calls you and it's the FBI.
Yo, no, wait. Can I do a solve?
Okay, wait, after my solve. I'm doing the solves because of my viewers being bored. 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 Who's bored? We have stop. No, we will not. Okay. Okay. Not to survive without it. Uh, Dun. Help! Someone's grabbing onto my table. Oh no. Oh no. of this popping feast. Yeah, 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 yeah.
David!
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Alright, Good.
I got 1 minute and 10 seconds. Now my brother's going to solve it. Okay, wait. Let's go to session 2. Here's your session, dude. That's a short, by the way. That's a short.
Hello, gang. So today we're gonna do a POV. Okay. Alright then. So
Why are you always in the POV?
cause it's my way.
Like this all these of you be doings because this video's like 11 minutes long.
Okay.
Bro, go!
Wait.
Fine,
Alright then. I just have to observe. Okay. Next.
Wait, God, did you learn some finger tricks?
No.
Were you watching Cubehead to do PLL last step?
Okay.
Portable.
Ito.
Didn't portable.
Uh-oh.
It's okay if you get under a minute. 1 minute and 2 seconds, so I get out.
No! I didn't even get another chance!
Bro, this video is 13 minutes long! What do you mean? What do you mean? So this will I record OBS, see?
Yeah, I'm gonna go sorry.
Okay, so now we are going to the yes and type 1 minute and 2 seconds 870. 1 minute and 2 seconds 70. Alright guys, so that's it. See ya and goodbye.